AI can't replace this one. It is easy, boring, a boring way to make a lot of money. You can make money online with this and in person. It's an awesome side hustle. Just pick up your cash in just minutes. Literally, it just takes a couple minutes. The side hustle you can do from anywhere, anytime. It couldn't be more flexible. You don't need to know AI. You don't need to know anything, really. It's so easy. If you can sign your name, press a button, stamp a piece of paper, you'll get some cash. And I depend on these people for every one of the deals that I've done. Over 77,000 different loan. I can't close on any of my deals without these people that literally you need no experience, no background, nothing. It is crazy. This opportunity is near and dear to my heart, and I want to share it with you. I want to introduce you to a practical side hustle that can realistically earn you between $80 to $200 within minutes without the need for a high school education. You don't need a diploma. You don't need a college degree, not even extensive training. They just need to verify who you are, and you got to understand some basic rules. This opportunity is unique because it's rooted in a legitimate, booming industry with billions of dollars circulating through it that we all need. No one can sell a house or a car or lots of other things without this person's signature. You might be thinking that it's not real or just talking about it out of my, what. None of these people had college degrees, but I've counted on them and I appreciate each one of them for helping me out. I'll explain what the side hustle is shortly, but before I do, welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're back, welcome back. Courts need you. Real estate people need you. Business leaders need you. Car dealers need you. Attorneys need you. The list is endless and the demand is growing. It's not going away anytime soon and AI won't be able to replace it. My name is Andrew Cartwright and I'm here to help you get money within minutes. You could be getting this cash. You can sign your name, stamp, or press a button, and also help you leverage that money and invest it. I can relate to where you are because I've been there. I've been broke and homeless to multimillionaire, decamillionaire, and more. Yeah, I'm finally locked in that lifelong success, knock on wood. I did that by founding 32 companies in 17 industries and bought 17 companies and exited 5 times. I'm in a good place to help. And also, it's not interesting seeing a guy successful online. But what is interesting, to me anyway, is a guy online that literally wants to help you. If you've got a 680 credit score and you can run a business, check out Epic 99. We're buying 99 companies to run together. You'll own 81%. I own 19%. It's part of the Dragons and Angels Fund. It's private equity, and we basically are helping you out. Also, don't miss out on grabbing your free stock. I'm shocked at this is an opportunity that you click in the description and get free stock. They're also paying out on money like 8.1%. Crazy. It's unbelievable. And if you deposit just $100, you get extra stocks. It's like there's no reason not to do it, and you don't have to deposit a lot of money. Or any money, basically. So don't also forget to grab your $30 in USTD for the trading bot on Pinex. Don't miss out on that. If you deposit some money there, they'll give you even more. So don't forget to check that out. Check it out. They'll give you $30 of USTD, which is like cash. Okay, so what is this lucrative side gig that's been helping people make substantial income in minutes? It works as long as you're signing a loan, right? A loan agent needs to sign this. Also, as a loan needs the signing notary. You might be wondering what this entitles. Every time a home is bought, sold, or refinanced in the good old US of A, or when any large loan is taken out, there's a significant amount of paperwork involved. Now, most people can't afford to pay for their homes outright, so they count on getting a mortgage from the bank, which requires signing thousands of pages of documents. Like, for example, our loans that we do for fix and flip, as well as people buying investment properties with the link down below, Capital Velocity, that you guys have been grabbing up those loans where we fund up to 90% and do 100% of the rehab. We fund you for that in 24 hours after the work is done. In order to get that process rolling, when we finish the paperwork, you have to sign with a notary. And this is where that loan signing agent steps in. A notary is someone who has been authorized by the state and officials to verify documents by stamping them. In fact, notaries are huge throughout history. We've needed them all the way back. They've kept documents. They were the original document people, I don't know if they were part of collecting some of this stuff from the Bible, but at any rate, maybe they were. But notaries, we counted on to trust. Anyone who meets basic criteria, though, such as if you're a citizen, you can become a notary. Normally, you might visit a bank and have documents notarized for a small fee, for like $10 or $15. Now, most banks, though, now have decided we're not doing that anymore, which opens up a huge opportunity for you. What's interesting is they have a notary at the bank, but for themselves, not for you when you come in at most banks now. So you might be wondering, how do you possibly earn $80, $100, or $200 for notarizing a document? Pretty simple. In fact, the key difference here is that when you notarize a loan document, which often involves hundreds of pages and multiple signatures, the fees are significantly higher. They're usually so packaged in hundreds of $200, $1 million worth of a loan that it's kind of looks insignificant. When a home is bought, sold, or refinanced, the closing costs include various fees. One, which is notary fee. This is where you, as a loan signing agent, come in. This is a valuable skill that doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. You don't need a high school diploma, college degree, nothing. But it does involve learning how to handle these documents, paying a license to do it. The good news is that almost anyone can do this. It is not as complex as coding or data analysts. It doesn't require any AI knowledge. In fact, if you can sign your name, press a button, or stamp, you could do it. It's more straightforward, and the barrier to entry is super low. But these are actually high valued people. How could that be? How could you be valued high but yet need so little education? The key here is the fact that when they stamp that, that becomes a legal document for the most part. Now, one of the best aspects of this side hustle is its flexibility. It's an ideal gig for someone who needs a flexible schedule to pursue whatever else they do. Like, for example, I acted for 3 years. In 1996 to 99, I was on Nash Bridges, Patch Adams, What Dreams May Come, and had a bunch of fun. If I was doing this on the side, I could do this between auditions or between work schedules. I could do this when I wanted to. You don't need to make it a full-time job. It's a side hustle. If you're an actor, a working actor, this might be something you should consider. Even if you only complete a few signatures a month, you can easily earn a full-time income at least a supplemental one earnings while you focus on other interests. Great thing is when you sign your name, you collect your cash right then and there. There's no billing. The most appealing part about a loan signing agent is that they don't have to sell services and no refunds. Once you do something, there's no refunds here. You can't get your money back. Once you've done it, that's it. You will need a network, though, to make connections, particularly real estate agents, but you'll also need to convince anyone of value for your service that you already need it, because they probably already have someone. So make sure you earn their business. It's a simple matter of who they choose to call. When you're just starting out, being available and willing at the last minute to do appointments can help build your business quickly. Now, car dealerships need this to sign on titles. Real loan officers need this to document their loans. And lots of other, like selling businesses, which we do, we sell businesses as well, also need a notary. So it's important to note that it's not as simple as walking up one day and starting this job. There is a learning process and you will need to get a license. But it's very achievable. It's an achievable goal that anyone can do that's motivated, and you can do it your entire life. It can be just a side hustle you picked up because you watched one of my videos, along with anything else you do. You could still do Uber with this. You could still do Lyft and DoorDash in conjunction with this. And the good news is that with the recent advancements, you can even perform the job remotely, which wasn't an option a few years ago, thanks to that virus that circulated. Every time a loan is processed or refinanced, someone gets paid for a notary, and that someone could well be you. This isn't just a dream. It requires effort and learning, very little bit, and a test, a little bit of knowledge in the industry, and understand the demand. If you're searching for flexibility, a side hustle that pays you, that you can make money online, that pays well, this could be the perfect fit for you. While you can't notarize your own loans, okay, I do have some real estate loan links in the description if you want to check them out. My name is Andrew Cartwright. If you want a loan if you're doing a fix and flip, you want to talk to one of our guys, make sure you hit the link in the description. We'll be happy to talk to you about DSCRs, which is that debt service coverage ratio, which doesn't count on your income, it counts on the property. We'll fund it for you. Literally, you can have as many homes as you want with Capital Velocity under the program, and then also you could do fix and flip. We are looking for brand new people too, as well as experienced veterans. We can pretty much take care of both of you. Take care. This side hustle is pretty cool. We need you. I thought I'd cover it because, well, I use them all the time. I'm like, why don't I tell people about this? Because how many people even know that notary, it's something that goes unnoticed in our culture. Take care. My name's Andrew Cartwright. Love you.